Today I show you what happens if you have only USB-C to USB-C cables and not USB-C to USB-A cables, the old style. If your charging cable is only USB-C, you might not be able to charge your phone at some point because you find a power point that doesn't have USB-C. Now they start to show more and more, but they are still not as common as usual. For example, this power bank here, I have a USB-C port, one port, but this is the charging port. If I want to charge the power bank and charge the phone at the same time, I cannot use that cable. You might need to charge a power bank while charging your phone, and then you might need two USB-A to USB-C cables, or one USB-C to USB-C if you only charge from the power bank to the phone. In many cases, you might need a USB-C to USB-A cable, or if you have only a cable like this with USB-C to USB-C only, then you might need an adapter and charge the phone. So it's charging. Now if I want to charge this power bank at the same time while charging the phone, I need another cable. This power bank will only charge on the USB-C port. I have this USB-C cable plugged into the wall charger, and I need to plug it here, so I have to remove the phone to charge the power bank. So now the power bank is charging, but how do I charge the phone? This is I hope this is clear now what I mean. And there is a very easy and light option for this. This is a really easy way to fix that, and you get one of these USB-C to USB-A adapter. This is a 2.0, but you could have some that are 3.0 or 3.1, 3.2 Gen 2 or 3.1 Gen 2, I'm not sure which one it is, but you can actually have one which is really fast speed. But this one, I only use it for charging, so I'll plug in this part. And now this side is converted, and now I convert this side into USB-C to USB-A. It's converted to USB-A. And I can charge the phone while charging the power bank. The difference here is that with the adapter, you might not have fast charging. It all depends on the adapter. If the adapter is old USB 2, it might not have it all depends on the adapter. You might have fast charging or you might not. This adapter doesn't get fast charging, but actually I prefer it like this, because this adapter is not that strong anyway. If you want to have high transfer speeds, you might want to get an adapter that is USB 3, at least USB 3.0 or 3.2 or 3.2 Gen 1, Gen 2. So this is the adapter. Like this, you can convert any USB-C to USB-C cable into a USB-C to USB-A cable, the old style. The best part is that the adapter is very tiny, so you can really easily have it with you. Thanks for watching.